have a 100-year-old toolbox. Today, we're gonna go through it, we're gonna organize it, we're gonna turn it brand new once again. Welcome back to Booost.
Alright, now can I get the intro?
So I've had this toolbox for like 6 or 7 years. Being that I've had it, I have never one time sifted through that. So that's what we're gonna do today. I bought floor liners for it, and we're gonna be testing this out, the Icon tool mat for the first time. Hopefully it's good.
I actually have a pacemaker. We're gonna see if I can stick myself to the wall.
Wow.
What is something that you want to see in there?
A ratchet.
I think if we can get a complete no-skip socket set of any kind, it's a total win.
I want to see a wrench.
This is the new Icon magnet!
I'm just kidding. Oh my god, I saw what I wanted. I saw a wrench.
Alright, this is my favorite thing so far, a Craftsman ratchet. Doesn't look that old. It doesn't look that old, but you can't switch which way, you know, it tightens or loosens. But it doesn't matter because it's fully seized.
This one's in really good shape. I don't even know what it is.
Is there a shot that we can have? Alright, one cool thing we figured out is these fork wrenches.
Slider.
Oh, we're pretty wet. If you can kind of see,
I'm just kidding, don't say that.
there's like a divot in the actual wrench, and they all have them. If you guys know what that is, comment. I don't know, I'm not a mechanic.
So far, I think the highlight is all the random like wrench brands that we've never heard of.
Yeah,
Wait a
this is
second.
like a nipple. You
Yeah,
got
oh.
nipples with this thing, man.
This is one of that wacky
the
set of pliers
fuck?
right here.
Wait a second.
This one's really old. It's a Craftsman,
Oh.
and it doesn't really work.
Okay, so this workforce wrench, in order to change if you're tightening or loosening, you have to push and twist. The problem with that is, let's say you want to change it, right? You're gonna go push and twist, and that happens.
Super old socket set. Notice the rubber that's holding it on. I don't know if that came with the set or not, but I know companies like Lyle still make and sell and will send you socket sets with this rubber on them. This is the only completed tool set we have so far. It's like a whole bunch of forged Craftsman wrenches.
This flathead has a wood handle, and then this one, I don't know, it's like a chisel or something. I don't know.
So far, the only brand that we've heard of is Craftsman.
Oh, I got a brand that no one's heard of. Victor.
Victor, put him out.
Oh my god.
These needle nose that are made by Exolite, see how many millimeters long they are, I guess.
Bro, this is some weird shit, man.
Some more wooden handles, by the way.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, the wooden handles do come in handy when it's 9 degrees outside. What's the fuel like
It's
temperature?
actually 8. Feels like is 3. It feels like 3
It feels
degrees.
like 3 degrees, and we're doing this video for you.
You know what that means you gotta do? It means you have to like, comment, and subscribe right now.
Comment your mom's phone number. If you guys don't know, we're from the Philadelphia, South Jersey area. We're Phillies fans. So we did fine. Phillies tips. If it was Kyle Schwarber's tip.
This would come in handy like today. This would be really cool.
www. This is the first thing that I have seen that is standard 9 millimeters. But I want to point out it is rusted, so I don't think it's new. Oh,
Is it?
oh,
It's running away.
yo,
What?
13 millimeter socket.
Is that our first 13 mil?
13 mil standard socket. Yo, no way, no,
Is that a standard socket set?
no way. The illustrious
Is it a 10?
10 mil, quarter inch 10 mil. Bam.
Weird pull. Never seen anything like this before. If you guys know what this is, let us know in the comments. Me and Shane have no idea what it is. John, you know what this is?
Yo, is it possible this is a crimp tool?
Maybe. Actually, a cool ass find. Thin wrenches.
Thin wrenches. I don't even
have a set of these. These are goated. If you know, you know. They're thin wrenches.
Yo, hi, is this 3 inch or half inch? I want to see, this is Tyler's live reaction. This is 3 inch or half inch?
3.
Yes, the answer is yes. It's actually a 0 inch.
Oh shit.
It was a 3/8.
Yo, is this a wobble?
So many sockets.
Socket overload.
Yo, I've had a cobalt socket. Cobalt socket.
John, what is this?
Long socket.
It's like a, I don't even know what this is either.
Ooh, you got another 15 mil.
Paint can opener.
Another quarter inch 10 mil. This one spark plug socket has instructions on the sockets.
That's pretty cool, actually.
It says, prevents something. I'm the socket man. I'm the socket keeper, the keeper of the sockets. All right, this is a quarter inch, square bit to a quarter inch hex. Female. It's kind of say wrenches.
I must give these to the socket keeper. Keeper of the sockets. Socket keeper, I have morphine.
You said you have morphine?
Yeah, I have morphine for the
Yeah, there's
socket.
a four right there.
Keeper of the socket's gonna love this one.
No way!
More hex to hex. We don't use these in the industry anymore.
There's a lot of hex to hex. I want to point that out. There's like a lot of hex to hex. I just want to point that out. How many hex to hexes there are. This is so cute. I'm gonna use it to crush my testes.
How's the keeper of the sockets doing?
Yo, there's so many fucking sockets over here.
Do we have any major surprises so far in the
yes,
video?
I'm surprised of how many non-name brand everything is.
No idea what this is. It looks like a compass. Like, you know the thing they make circles with?
Come piss.
Like a ream of some kind?
I am the keeper of the sockets. And the keeper of the socket wants to point out, what do we consider a full 1/4-inch shallow socket set?
If you can get me up to 13.
I have. You ready for this? 1/4-inch. 4 millimeter, 4.5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, baby!
Wow. Rather averagely sized pipe wrench.
Dude, stab me.
Look at this knife. Rattle Dexter.
I'm not sure. I think it's a bit for concrete. There's a lot of wrenches. A lot more than I thought.
Yes, there is. Quite a lot of wrenches.
I use wrenches, don't get me wrong, but I use sockets a lot more than I use wrenches.
I use my electric ratchet with a socket.
I use my electric wrench. None of which of the wrenches are ratcheting, by the way. And I didn't look at them. I didn't see anything that have any kind of teeth on the inside, like a flank drive would. Looks like, listen, I'm not wrong. They could have used this kind of thing for something else. To plug a tire. Most times when you plug a tire, the tools have like a T. It's a T-bar handle. So it looks like this. This isn't. So you're gonna go push it in the tire, you gotta hold it like this, I guess, or
It's like basically.
if you hit it with a hammer, it doesn't make sense. Did you not hear what I just said?
You're gonna have.
Yeah, I'm not bullshitting.
So that's how the box came out. Some of it's organized, some of it's not. So there's a lot of stuff that came out of that, and it would have been impossible to organize all of it. But we did find some cool stuff. We did find an entire socket set, which was my goal.
No, we did get some cigars.
We did.
We didn't rip them yet.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.
You don't have to.